On today's episode of Grace for Davis Family, you will see our family in the morning and how that process works for us. As you can see, I have separated the girls' clothes by the day, and now I'm ironing them because I did not iron clothes for the week because I just didn't. And Matthew plays the drums. I'm going to redo Kara's hair this morning. I'll probably wash it on Friday, but I just wanted to have something to get her through the week. My husband took them to school, so I'm just kind of making our bed before I leave for my 2-week appointment with the doctor. And I'm just hugging Grace because we're kind of matching. I'm wearing Valentine's colors because, well, I just chose to. It's burgundy and pink, at least it's Valentine's colors to me. So getting ready for Valentine's Day in about 2 weeks. I actually usually wear red or pink the first 14 days of February just because I love love, you know? Anyway, I'm on my way to the nurse practitioner for my 2-week checkup and everything is going well. Back home, and I'm just changing Christian to get him ready for the day, even though he didn't go anywhere, but hey, he has these clothes, he's gonna outgrow them, he might as well wear them. And it was a cute little outfit from the center. One thing I love about having smaller babies is to watch them grow and how their fingers and toes fill out. It's so cute. And here's Christian in his cute little green outfit. Look at his toes. Christian said hi. Pancakes.
Beautiful.
When I weighed at the doctor today, I don't need to eat one. Right, Christian? Don't need one. You can have one though. I guess that means I gotta eat one.
Avocado oil.
Say hi. Say hi. Christian, say hi. Say This was later that evening when everyone's home and washed and winding down, getting ready for bed. My son is just playing 2 keyboards. Thanks for watching. Bye.